Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 update are underway. Please keep on your computer. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will show a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a services, open services. First of all, now find out a Windows update. Now here is a Windows update. First of all, stop the Windows update. So in my case is already stopped. So after that close it, and after that find out find out the cryptographic services and make sure that stopped it. After I click on OK button, minimize the it, go to your file explorer, go to your C drive, and after that go to your Windows. After opening the go to your Windows, find out a software distribution. Now here is a software distribution. Right click, rename it, and type a start OLD. Okay, click yes to continue. After doing this step, open a System32. Now here is a System32. Open it and find out a catroot2. Now here is a catroot2. Right click, click on rename and type .old. Press OK button. Click yes to continue. Close it. After go to your services and once again stop and start the both services. After that click on OK button. After that close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that open any browser, go to your Google and type a show hide update tool. So open it, click on a first website majorgeeks.com, click on download. After completing the downloading, install in your PC. Is required for a few minutes to detecting the problem and install in your PC. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.